We all have seen the seven different steps of getting a job: the research, the assessment, skilling up, packaging, LinkedIn. And today we are going to see about the other two, the last major steps, the one that is applying and interviews. So let me quickly share my screen and show you the correct way of applying. We all know that most of the jobs are filled up before even it comes up to the profile, and 70% in recent statistics by McKinsey, when they did a survey from the most of the recruiters and hiring managers, 70% of the jobs were filled. Why? Because internal hiring, or even before the posting happens. And posting generally even happens, I know some companies that they do the posting as a policy and a formality, even though the jobs are fulfilled. This is the reason why most of us, when we are applying for a job, you will see that there is no response. There are thousands of applicants, and we don't get a proper response. So now, coming to applying the right way, and this, if you can see my, I will go in details. I have to show you every step is important, and this is the sixth important step. And for doing this, two things that you need to have very important is, first is, you need to update your profile in all the job sites regularly. So I have a template that I've created for my mentees, and as this is focused on the Gulf and the MENA region, these are the top seven firms, areas where you can keep updating your profile. Indeed, Bayat, LinkedIn Jobs, Monster Gulf, Gulf Jobs, Naukri Gulf, and Gulf Talent. And even in LinkedIn, one thing is they also look for recent profiles. So keep changing your profiles regularly. Ideally, personally, what I have told all my mentees who are looking for jobs, and this is algorithmic, right? Recency is very, very important. Like, suppose you go to Indeed, they will search for data scientists, and they have thousands of data scientists. There is a recency factor, which is the data scientist who has updated their profile in the recent times, and uh, they will show up. If possible, if you're really serious about getting the jobs, premium is one option that I also tell people to take as well. So if one thing that it is not mandatory, but if you're really desperate and you have the uh, you have some deep pockets, then you need to take premium of all the services that are available. That and you can take LinkedIn for surely. If you want to take one out of all this, LinkedIn is the one that you need to have. Others, it is up to you, but personally, LinkedIn is the number one. So if you want to invest in one, take LinkedIn and update your resume. So this tracker is there on Notion. The link will be there in the comment. You can download this, uh, replicate this Notion, and you can start updating. Have a habit of at least updating every day or weekly, thrice, and this tracker can be inbuilt with your in your Notion for your own personal need. If you are from some different country, you can also change the uh, portals accordingly and do that. So this is the first way. Second way is add employees on LinkedIn, and this is very, very important. I tell everyone, be very active on LinkedIn. Add people on LinkedIn, that is who is hiring. That is very, very important. And what how you can do that? Suppose you have the top 10 companies that you have. Take those companies and add them. Follow the companies, people who are talking about that company. Please ask them to comment on them, engaging comments, and you can ask more details about that. So now, suppose I will quickly share my screen and show you LinkedIn. You have a list of 10 companies that you are targeting, that I told you before. Engage on those people and get information about them, and ping them, add them. Even the recruiting managers that are there, add them, talk to them, and this is going to uh, there is some issue in LinkedIn. It is becoming very slow, so let me exit the page and open a new browser. Let me So once you are on LinkedIn, you can what you can do is let me, yeah, if you can see my screen, yeah, you can go and follow. Like, for example, most of us want to work in Google. So I'll just take an example. Search for Google and look at the posts that people are talking about Google. So Google is a very a tough bet. I will because many people talk about Google who are not an even employee. So take one separate example because I am based in Gulf. So Kareem is one of the companies that is a software development company based in Dubai. So the people that are here, you can go to posts and you can see what are the people posting about Kareem. So this guy is posting about Kareem. This guy is posting about this. This is a person. I think she is in Kareem. No, she is not. But have a look at the people who are posting in Kareem and whatever company that you're looking for. It is not an or you can do one more thing is by not go don't go by posts, go by the people who are there in Kareem and then look at the solution. So if possible, first step is going to be through post. If you're not able to get anything, I'm giving a very specific example. Then go to people. See Heidi Nasir. So this person, she is a growth director of growth. She is not at all active on her activity, not much. Similarly, you need to see people what activity they are doing and talk to them. Like this person, we are launching Dubai's first. Yeah, this is a good news, right? Uh, Posted this, so you can mention this person, Aida. This thing, she has reposted this. So always Aida Farah. This is amazing. Amazing to have electric bike. So you need to have some amazing content that is going to tell this person, tag this person, and tell that you are talking about have electric bikes. Great work, Kareem. So these are some of the things that you need to think about and do it. I'm just giving a live example, and this is a way to for the person to know that you are. Understanding what they are doing and do few posts like this, and then after one a week make a list tracker that you had liked Ayat Farah, do it multiple times and then send her the connection request that your engagement and LinkedIn that your work that you are doing is very motivational and I want to connect with you and know more about the thing. And then after this, what is the good thing about this is once you are connected to more people on Kareem as an example, then you will see that the connection requests, like for you can see, uh, first of all, you need to follow the page. I'm already following it. You will see the hiring manager who is there. Uh, you will be in the first connection of the hiring manager. The problem is if you send a direct connection request to a hiring manager or a recruiter, the chances of that they are going to accept is very, very minimal. So you have to go through an employee and then you become the first connection. Like this is a job that is really attractive for me, even though I'm not looking, I'm just giving you an example. Product analytics manager. This is what I had done few years back, and Kareem is hiring for this actively in this thing. So can you see I have 5 connections working here, and these are some of the connections that are working. You can see none of them are recruiters. All of them. One Haris Salman is a recruiter. Rest everyone is a are my friends. So, but you will see in big companies they don't give the directly the hiring manager, but now I'll show you what is the correct way to apply for this role. So once you have more connections, you can ask them to refer you. You can ask them, I'm looking for this job. Already 1 week, there are 404 applicants, lot of competition. You can see the number of skills matching. Make sure that you have up more than 7 skills that are matching. That is going to give you a good probability for you to be on the thing. View verification related to the job. So if you want to see about verification, this is from official Careem website. So this will give you authenticity. This is for big companies, this is good, but try check it out for small companies. And the thing is, when you apply, show your in case your chance of being viewed, click this continue and try to fill in more. Now it is going to push you here in their portal. Apply for this job, write good, give all the details, write a specific cover letter for this, uh, change your resume according to some of the things that are mentioned here. These responsibilities should be there inbuilt in the particular thing, and this is going to really help you talk about it. So now personally this job is good for us, and everyone seeing this video, I whenever any company reaches out to me for open roles and I feel it is a good role, I am encouraging people to put it in our community Discord, where there is something called as open to work. I'm going to share this link to you guys as well in the comments in the description. And if you are really looking for a job, try to see these videos, uh, see the open to work, like this particular open to work that I'm showing you here. I'm going to put it here as well. I don't need the source, LinkedIn, and I'll mention. Great. So these are the things. So you please keep looking for here as well. And I put it in the job opening and I put it here. So some of the things are very important. This you need to have in mind. Do a very focused search, focused application, and try to send. If you can say 7 friends working here, you can also send them this link. You can send them. So the main thing that they ask is the job ID. So the job ID for this is 7044259002. I am applying for this job, and I require your help. To internal referring always works, or if you have a recruiter directly, he can reach out to you. And also make your LinkedIn so good that even recruiters like it. And please, every job, make a proper cover letter that is focusing what Careem or any company is looking for, and what resume. Also try to edit it, because ATS, application tracking system, make sure that your resume is checked properly, that is there. So some of these things that I mentioned, you applying the right way is very important for everyone who is looking out for a job. Internal reference is what I told you, and doing a premium if possible. So some of the things that I mentioned to you is very important. Most of the people tell me that they have been applying for 4 months, 5 months, even though their profile is good, whatever the 5 earlier steps they are done is good, but they get stuck in the 6th step. Try to take help of communities, try to take help of these platforms. Do it the right way, spend some time and energy, and do it the right way, and that is the way you are going to take it forward.